Hello? Who's there? Anyone? Hello, hello? Hmm. I have no idea what that error means. Property agent height is sealed to cell height. Property agent height. So what, does this need to be 2? Fair enough. Post jam. What did we change? Oh dear. It's a lot of changes. Hey, how's it going? You're first. Okay. The first thing I want to do is add some way to enter a debug mode in the game where you're flying around with FreeCam, because I have a feeling that's going to be very useful for troubleshooting what's going on beneath the scenes. So how do we do that? It might be worth cleaning up my scene tree first. But that also sounds like a lot of work. Well, maybe it's not. What's referencing this thing? Probably nothing, I assume. Let's see. Navigation region 3D. Okay, I was wrong. The camera references the mesh, which is a sibling. Okay. I feel like I should get a little PNG tuber for when I'm not using my cam. That way I can stream without cam. How do you do that? Is there a free software? Who would do that? I could do it myself, but I'd have to wire up the audio detection. How do you do the audio detection? OBS browser API. Yeah, I figure I'll just use the emote and just do like, just darken it when it's not and then do a little bounce animation. It should be really simple if I just use like the fishing one. Oh, is there a website for it? PNGTuber website. That could work. I don't even need a mouth. Like, for starting out, I just want something, you know, visual indication. Okay, browser source, what information is available on the page? I think we can do it ourselves. OBS browser introduces a cross-platform browser source powered by CEF. OBS browser provides global object that allows access to some OBS-specific functionality from JavaScript. I think I'm just going to do it myself, depending on what these types look like. It should be, honestly, like incredibly straightforward. As long as we have support for reading the audio, which we might not. Oh God, I hate this repo. How do you unpackage npm? What's the other one? JS deliver. This is the one where you can like go to a repo and look at the files, I think. Files. Index.d.ts. Hey, look at this. Code. Okay. This is going to be a little bit of a slog to read, but let's see. Get control level, scenes, transitions, current scene, set scene. Ooh, this looks actually really primitive. Wow. So we actually don't get any sort of access to audio. Stand by. We want the protocol. Audio. Balance changed. The audio balance of an input. What is the audio balance? Oh, is that like the fader? I bet that's the fader. Wow. Yeah, huh. So there's no way to actually read the volume of the mic. Annoying. We could read it directly instead of reading it through OBS. OBS browser read mic. Browser source does not provide access to the system audio devices. You might only need to pass the launch flag of enable media stream. Huh. That's kind of inconvenient. Speech recognition API. That's not what we want. We just want audio. You said you're using a website for it. Do you know what the website is? And how do you have it set up with OBS? This sounds like the speech recognition doesn't work, but that's not really what I want. Mic test website. Yes, hello. Hello. Okay, let's see if we can put this in a browser source. Mic test. What are the odds this works? Okay, wait, what does this say? Oh wait, what? What's happening? Test my mic. You did not allow the browser to use the microphone. Well, how do I allow it? Oh wait, control audio. No, that's controlling the audio of the page permissions. Full access. Huh. I don't know if that's gonna work. Do I need this? All right, stand by. I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh, hey, look, it works now, I think. If I do this, look, it's reading, it can read, yeah, look. Oh, we can read the microphone in OBS in a browser first. Okay, that is kind of lit. Yeah, that's really cool. We just had to enable a flag. I don't actually need this thing on the screen. Well, how do I delete this? Remove. Okay. This is going to pivot to a quick coding stream of a different variety. Where's my overlay? Okay, does my overlay still work? No. Why not? Does this link work? Oh, wrong link. Oopsie. This seems to be working. We got sockets. Oh, when I fish, it doesn't fish? Oh, now it fishes. Oh, I didn't do HTTP. Let's catch a fish. It works. Easy. Okay. I haven't written any code for this in a while, so this might go a little rough. So it's not going to be an alert. It's going to be... Shoot, I kind of want this to be on a different layer so that it's easy to turn on and off. Yeah. What do I do about that? What to do? Because ideally I can just turn it off whenever. Okay, so here we're going to do some sort of routing. If... Oh, thank you. Let's see. Window.location. I always forget this. Stupid. Is it path? Path name? Returns the location object's URL's path. Window, location, path name. Yes. It's got a preceding slash. This is jank, but we'll, to do refactor this awful router. If what do we want to call it? PNG tuber? I've got autocomplete, look. Window dot. Look at all these things. Their own window. I got documentation. I can be like, wait, what is location? Okay, it's that's not super useful, but do we have a go to definition for this? No. This repo doesn't have too much IntelliSense. Oh, look, it's telling me I've got an error here. Can't find the tried some autocomplete plugins, but they never worked for me. I use NeoVim with the built-in language server thing. It's pretty good. It does take a lot of setup though, I'll admit. Oh, thanks for the follow. So we need to make this file exist. Just put it out here. PNG. What do? We export setup PNG tuber. Oh wait. Const equals something like that. Import setup PNG tuber. Bingo, bango. Let's stick a console log here. Hello. And we can test if this works with, not that. This PNG tuber. Aha, it says hello. Okay. I'm now confident that it's working. Oh, what's in our index? Oh, wait, what is it? Index HTML, there we go. Yeah, this isn't, admittedly, this isn't great. Ha. Uh-huh. Well, just add it to the list. What can you do? Sometimes that's how it goes. Okay, so what does this thing need to do? Microphone API browser. Web audio. I have no idea how to do this. Guides and tutorials. Um, well, maybe this one? Visualizations? Perfect. Distortion? Oh, is this going to actually be really difficult? Nah, couldn't be. I don't know what this connect does. What is stream? Do you have like a complete example? No. Oh god. Hey, Practical MVC. How's it going? I'm trying to make myself a quick and dirty PNG tuber. But I have no idea how to read audio in the browser. something, make a new audio context. And then make an analyzer. What can we do with the analyzer? We can connect methods. We can get the byte frequency data. Oh wait, you don't know what the null rod does? Oh wait, it didn't do the thing. Hold up. Something's broken. Everybody panic. You redeemed the null rod. Why didn't it work? This is not good. Uh, okay. Reward in, let's see, it's looking at event data dot reward dot title, which should have been null rod. Wait, curl failed. Hold up. Curl? What's it trying to do? Oh, I know what's happening. Hmm. It's trying to control my lights and it's not working. I moved recently and so like all my stuff is messed up. Let me log into my router real quick and see what the IP of my lights are. We might have to re-handshake with the lights. Oh wait, what is my password? Okay, good. The password's admin in case anybody wants to hack me. Oh, this is embarrassing. Okay, wired clients. No? Wait, is it that? Hey, look. Philips Hue. So where do we talk to the lights? We've got flashlight. Flashlights is 50.38. Oh, wait, what? 50.38. Should be 0.140. And the same in rainbow lights. Okay. Oh, what the heck is happening? Kill pane. Stream? Okay. So let me replay like a follow alert. Okay, my lights are flashing. Which means your redemption didn't go through. So I'll replay that. Okay, now you have the null rod. Go for it. Catch that fish. Very nice. You're part of the exclusive club of nullfish owners. There's always something busted. I was wondering why the bot's been so slow. There's not exactly. I can show you. Let's see. These are the ones you have. You've got 9 different unique ones. Pretty good. Let's see how many Jess has. 89. It's also pretty good. Okay, so what were we doing? We were reading what the analyzer can do. It's got a max decibels and a min decibels. Connect. Yeah, I don't know what that does. You can connect up audio nodes to things. Let me close a billion tabs. Connect distortion. To capture data, you need to use the methods get float frequency data and get byte frequency data to capture frequency data. Or you can capture waveform data. Sure. Anyone know how audio works? Any audio engineers? I just want to get the volume. But I guess volume, it doesn't exactly work like that. Because what is volume except amplitude of a sound wave over time, right? Like average amplitude over a time frame, I think. I don't know how sound works, to be honest. It's got to be amplitude, right? Hmm. Well, that looks cool. How about this? JavaScript, get volume of audio. No, not set volume. Hello. That's kind of a creepy website. Dude's just flapping in the wind over here. Yeah, look at this. So this, oh wow. It really, whoa. That made my mic freak out. What the fuck? But this is totally working. Even though this graph seems to have a really small frequency. Like, it doesn't go very far into the bar. Okay. The Web Audio API is kind of a filter graph API. This means that in JavaScript, we create nodes in a directed graph. Yeah. But how's the data represented? I guess you don't go into that. I'm just gonna read the code. So we create a source from our stream, then we make an analyzer, and then we connect the analyzer, and then every frame we get the float time domain delta. No, data. Sorry. Oh, and we do sum of squares. Wow. See, I was right. Amplitude. That's the one we want. But we need to sum of squares, I guess. Okay, but why is it over PCM data to length? Can we just do I don't know. This is the part that seems wrong to me. But let's steal some code. Do I want this to be async? Should be fine. Cannot find volume meter. Yeah. Because I don't have a thing like that. What if I just like set the background color of the page? JavaScript set background color. I don't know if you can do a number. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. So if I go to PNG tuber, does this do anything? Cannot read properties when defined. Reading get user media. Rr. Navigator dot, what is it? Media devices? Window dot media stream. What do the docs say again? We can just make a new audio context. But we need a stream. Where do we get a stream? To be able to do anything with the web audio API, we need to create an instance of the audio context. Yeah, we're doing that. Modifying sound. No, but how do I... Web audio API microphone. Huh. Need to upgrade my browser. Fair. I don't have this media devices. Is this out of date? When is this from? Only available in secure contexts. Ugh, that is so annoying. That is unbelievably annoying. I hate that. Sigh. I don't have ngrok installed. Download. What? Oh. It's on Snap? Alright. We do some Snap. Okay, here we go. ngrok HTTP 5173. Beautiful. God damn it. I need an account to use ngrok. I'm so sad. What? I don't want to use multi-factor. How do I get an auth token? Yes, I want to visit the site. Okay. It's not changing colors, but that could just be... What if we just do inner text? Yeah? No? Hello? Oh wait, we're not a /PNG tuber. Hell yeah, you want to use my microphone? Okay, why did that just like peak my audio? Wait, what the fuck? Did that just like reset my audio level? Sorry, was that really loud? What the fuck? Is it gonna do that every time? I didn't really consent to it doing that. Oh, here we go. Yeah, look, we've got the audio level. How do I make it not reboot my microphone? Hold on, let me test it again. Okay, it didn't do it. What the fuck? Did it just do it again? It waited until I started talking to do it? I'm so sorry. Why is it allowed to modify my microphone? What? I don't even know where it was set to. I think here. First of all, let me do this stupid thing where I save my settings. How do you do this again? Save settings to hardware. I mean, that's not really gonna fly if I'm gonna have this thing and it's gonna fuck with my microphone. Maybe it's fine because it'll only boot once per stream. It's a little sketchy though. When this page refreshes, does it do the thing? What the fuck? What the fuck? It just Okay. It just like completely changes the gain on my preamp. Um it didn't do that on the mic test site, did it? No, it sure didn't. Yes it did. Yes it did. It just takes why? What is happening here? Okay, let me keep this software open and then I'll look at what happens when it does the thing. I won't speak. Of course it's not gonna do it this. It literally like waits until I speak and then it just boosts the shit out of it. There's no way this is intended behavior. I how is that allowed? Web audio API boosting mic wavelength. Wavelength XLR maxing gain. Okay, gain level is changing on its own. Just got an update. Wave microphones feature wave gain lock. Gain audio. I don't get why Chrome is allowed to modify this. Aha. Audio enhancements. Wave gain lock. Absolutely enable. What the fuck? Okay, let's see if it happens now. You shouldn't be allowed to boost. Please don't boost. Please don't boost. Please don't boost. Okay, it's not boosting. Thank God. What a weird feature. It's just like, you know what we need? Set it to 11. That's what we needed. I can't believe that exists in Chrome. It's just like, oh yeah, let me modify your hardware for you. Don't worry, I got this. I know exactly what you want. Okay, so we have a number that's showing us the volume of the microphone. Pretty much anytime it crosses 0, we can be sure that I'm talking. So now we just need the little avatar. Hell yeah. Let me see if I can get my avatar into the repo easily. Okay, question. Which one should I use for the PNG tuber? The thinking one? The fishing one? No, no, no. I got sidetracked. I'm trying to make a little avatar in the corner. Mic control steering. Down with Kirby, man. Which I need input. Which one do you think suits the this stream avatar the best? I'm thinking this one. Because that's kind of just my mood always, is this one. How am I going to get this over to the other computer? Hmm. No, actually, you know what? I know the easiest way. I'm just going to put it in Discord. In a channel that only I can see. We can just use this URL to get it back. Public PNG tuber. Whoa. Hey, how's it going? Wait, it says party of 1, but there's 2 of you. Thinking. How is your stream? Let's call this thinking.png. Played a game, realized I've played 69 gmtk games, and then did some programming. Thanks for the follows. I'm getting sidetracked by a quick little... I didn't feel like turning on my cam today because I look like a mess. So I'm making myself a little PNG tuber. And I think I'm close to making it work. So how do I use my little web framework thingy? I worked on OpenGL stuff whilst having no idea what I was doing. And I remembered I have to get up at noon today. Oh no. How do we do an image? Image. We gotta add a... Oops. So like that. Yeah, and then we can pass a source, which will be... God, I don't know. PNG tuber... What did I save it as? Thinking.png? I don't particularly see it. Console also has nothing. It's not reassuring. What have I done wrong? All right. Have a good night. Thanks for the raid. So I grabbed the image, but I don't see it in the DOM. Oh, right, because we're doing this stupid shit still. Okay, now it's in the DOM. Easy peasy. And let's grab a reference to it. So, I haven't coded in a while. Let's just call it PNG. We can put it back in the DOM. Actually, we should do this higher up so that we have the ability to modify it inside this frame function. And we can say if sum squares greater than 0.5, let's see. png.classlist.add active else, what does it remove? No? Yeah, it's remove. What do you mean? Don't gaslight me. So when we're talking, yeah, look at this. It goes active. Oh my god, we're so good at programming. Now we just need to potentially debounce that, but let's instead go to our CSS and make it actually do something. PNG tuber image is going to have some stuff. And then PNG tuber active will have some other stuff. So CSS filter. We can do something like this. And now it lights up when I talk. I don't know if I like that. Yeah, well, I think we definitely need to do some debouncing on the on off. But I also think we should do a little bump animation when it turns on. Or maybe it's just would it be a bump animation? I don't know. Who is a good PNG tuber that I can look at? Do I want to bounce or do I want it to just be up when I'm talking? Do I want it to be like translate? Wait, translate y minus 20px. Something like this? No, I think it shouldn't be like that, right? You don't make yours jump like at all? Something like this? That's too fast. I don't really care about the mouth moving or not. Not right now, anyways. I wouldn't want to do that like sloppily. I don't know, this is a good... Okay. Let's just steal this. Hey, I see. What doesn't it like about this? Right. Does this have a TypeScript definition? No. Adding the mic volume to PNG scale might look good. Interesting. I'm not so sure on that one. How do I get a good debounce function? Or PNG tubing this stream? Let's try it. Let's try this one. Beautiful. Wait, did I export it? Yeah. Do you know why cookies aren't working in an OBS browser doc? I have no idea how OBS browser docs work. So we are similarly incapable, unfortunately. Okay. Set active equals what the heck? What is the Boolean type in JavaScript? No way it's this, right? Is it not bool? Yeah, I get that it's a browser page, but cookies are very complicated, so I'm gonna need more specifics if you want me to help. Uh, Wait, how does this debounce even work? Wait, this isn't what I want. I want JavaScript throttle function. Please, somebody just give me an implementation. Thank you. was making a checklist app in Vanilla.js and I wanted cookies for saving the checklist. Just didn't seem to work. Well, um, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't use cookies for that. Try local storage maybe. Yo. Um, okay, so we want to do a throttle. Did I do any front-end engineering before? Yes, lots. I'm trying to think how I want this to work. Because I kind of only want it to be called when it's changing state. Well, is that true? No, with throttle, I just don't care. I'm trying to get into software engineering, but don't enjoy working with the design. All right, so do that. Is it okay, or you think it's best to learn some front-end engineering in the market? I think they're both highly desirable skills. If that's what you're asking. So now we can just call set active. And what else do we need here? Right, we want the throttle here. Throttle it by, I don't know, 100 milliseconds? What's the problem? Oh, we are missing a curly. Whoop. I broke everything. Right. I think I saved this file somewhere weird. Oh yeah, I think I accidentally put this in oopsie. I refresh my overlay. There we go. Okay. So this works a little bit better. I don't know. I kind of like the little bump. I don't think it should do like the graveyard shift style animation. Is 100 not enough? Uh, maybe like 200? Something testing. If I say a long sentence, does it stay lit up? Would be nice if it would jiggle while you're talking. Do you think so? I can do that. I just wasn't sure if it would look better. We can try it. You mean like the The graveyard shift style animation. There was a cool editor we found recently. I think it was this one. Bounce. Wobble? Oh god. Did we get a wobble? It's Jello. Oh, definitely not. Um, what is... Oh, okay, they've just hard-coded it. This isn't the site that I wanted. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna write it by hand. God, I don't remember the syntax. CSS animation syntax. This isn't helping. Okay, here we go. So from minus 30 px. No, wait. From 0 to minus 30 px. I think we want this to say like 0%. This to say 100%. Bounce. And how do we do... let's make it 0.2 seconds. He's in. How's this? Is this more what you were thinking? What do you think? You like it? What the heck happened here? No, you don't like it? What actually happened? Something. What the fuck? Let me do a hard refresh. No, it's absolutely... What if I do a longer... Oh my god, why is it... Why is it doing this? Is there another bounce? Hold up. There's another bounce in here. Oh my god. Let's make it talk instead of bounce. Okay. We need to change it back to 0.2. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot? What if it talks a little bit faster? That's quite a hefty bounce. I don't think I talk that fast. Somewhere in between. Yeah, so you like something like this instead? Just gotta keep tweaking it. How fast do I talk? Do I talk about this speed? So something like this. Yeah, I think I do talk pretty fast. Let's change the activation threshold. Yeah, I think this is pretty cute. I kind of want to change the filter because that's just the first one I found. Well, we can decrease the saturation. That kind of does the same thing. Can we mix it with the brightness? Ooh. Now it goes dark when I'm not talking. No, I don't think I'm going to change the sprite right now. Hi. I think this is probably good. We're making a little PNG tuber thingy right now because I got sidetracked. Just need some cello animation. It'll be perfect. Let me add browser source. (1920 by 1080). Oh no. Stand by. Oh. I may have I may have done an oopsie. I'm a little too close to the screen. How do we fix this? Position. Absolute. Hey, thank you for the follow. Bottom 0, right 0. Oh dear. PNG tuber background color red. Okay. Now how do you figure that's the bottom right? Just out of curiosity. Okay, that's very tiny. Oh, that's percentage of the screen. Ugh. Okay, we can just drive it with 1. Okay, I guess that is bottom right. I think the image just has some padding. I don't want to resize the browser source because I want to be able to like put other things on the browser source. So I just always have the browser source be the size of the screen. I think our throttling still needs some tweaking, like 300 or something. Okay. Let's make it 25% and let's drop it down a bit. Oh, wait, now there's, no, I don't like the, okay, let's change this to like 150. Change the activation threshold to like 0.1. How about this? Yeah, that's better. I think. I don't know. Does it seem in sync? Let's nudge you down a little bit. Do I go down here? Maybe this far would be good. I'm starting to think I'm bobbing too much now though. 14 pixels. And then I can be more aggressive with how much yeah. I think that's good. It would be kind of cool if I had a button to switch which icon I was using. How would I do that? Hmm. That sounds tricky. Yes. Let me think about that one. How would I do that? Oh no, can you? Okay, let me give it a few more pixels. How about now? Did I fix it? I'm saying things. It's too small on my screen to tell. Still a little bit? Dang it. Okay. 48 will surely fix it. What, Thing is, if I want to have a button, I don't know how to glue together. I mean, I could have multiple browser sources, but that's kind of jank because then I've got like 6 browser sources reading my microphone. Um, oh, I could hook it up to channel points actually to change the avatar. Eh, that seems like more work than it's worth. Honestly, I think this is the only one that really works with it anyways. Like, you have the OBS API available through your browser page. That's true, but the OBS API is pretty limited. We were looking at that. JS deliver. So all we can really do voice analysis to determine mood. we have pretty limited like overall control. I don't think there's any way to like set up hotkeys or anything. Control F. Eh? I mean, I just read the whole file. What else? Where would it be hidden? This is it. It's not a very big library. You might be able to do it with the WebSocket API. Might be able to listen for hotkeys. We can check. OBS WebSocket. Let's see. Hotkey. Okay, so we can get a hotkey list and we can trigger a hotkey. But there's no event for when a hotkey is pressed. We would have to write a script that registers a hotkey, which isn't that hard, and then emits an event. But the level of effort required for that is a bit high. Let me see if there's so there's this thing where you can interact with it. I could just have this open and then I can click on stuff. Then I have to have that open all the time. I don't really see an easy way around it, to be honest. Browser source detect hotkey. This might be a dumb question. Yeah, I'd have to do it myself. I'd have to like send it over some socket. All right, well let me ship this thing real quick. Does that automatically deploy? It sure does. think it's just that. Let me switch my overlay back to. Wait, was it? I actually don't know where it goes. Stream dot. Failure. Uh-oh. This implicitly has type any. God damn it. Oh, how do you even type this? Whatever, we're not even using this function. Just get it out of here. Delete this. Come on, deploy. Oops. I'll just be Kuvia until it's deployed. This is a great browser, or like a great what are they called? OBS source to just have at the ready. He's coding so fast. Why is it taking so long to deploy? Oh, it deployed. Okay, refresh. Why no? Okay, it's possible that I gotta think where this is hosted. Root at Tau. You're gonna join the Rust cult. Don't do it. Disgusting. Is this not where it's hosted? CD @c nginx sites enabled default. So we passed location / to index.html. Forbidden. Oh yeah? How do you figure? Uh, yeah, no, that's right. How do you Nginx for React app? I totally get why. Try files. No, no, no. That's not what I want though. Shoot. Um, yeah, get how to make the React app part. Wait, is that what I want? What does try files do? Oh, it is try files. Okay, okay. I guess we don't need index then. Nginx, restart. PNG tuber. Okay. I don't see the where's the where's the image? Why is it adding this trailing slash? Why was it adding that trailing slash? Okay, whatever. I don't care. I'll just add a question mark. Hey, we got it. Thank God. All right, how long did that take? An hour and a half? It's fine. What do you want from me? Oh, what's going on here? Bus crashed? Oh no, it's like Boats' game all over again. All right. I'm officially a VTuber. Welcome to my VTube. Is there anything else I should add to the overlay while we're in here? Chat is long gone. I don't know why chat breaks. Time to add Twitch tag? Wait, what does that mean? Should I fix my chat overlay? Oh, I see. Have they fixed this yet? No, not even. Is this project just dead? I'm gonna have to rewrite this. Kind of feels dead. How's everybody's GMTK game doing? I see PNG reveal win. Mine's doing like way better than I expected. Like if I go to the popular page, I can actually find it pretty quickly. You would use some icy lava. Just use one of these. How about this one? Had some nice comments. That's good. How far down is this now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm like the 44th game. That's kind of nuts. I don't know why it's this high. Oh yeah? Yeah, it seems like comments on this jam aren't very critical. I did have one critical comment so far. This is my favorite comment. I'm gonna frame this and put it on my wall. I think this is just a summary of my games. Like if I ever have a testimonial page on, we should add a testimonial page to this site. Also, I should run the action that updates that site. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, Practical, you thought you were being critical when you gave me feedback. This is the feedback I wanted. This is the thought-provoking, tear me to pieces criticism I wanted. To know what the goal is, slanty face. Okay, that should update this site. Should probably make it automatically update. Whatever. Slanty face. These are crazy numbers. Also, I love how the number of entries just keeps dropping. This game has so many ratings. 1,400 ratings. Oh wait, did they win this one? Is that what happened? No. Well, they did really well though. I thought this game looked familiar. I think this one might have been in the video. Here says 68 ratings. That's more than mine, I think. I think I have 67. I think people don't know what to rate it on a lot of the time. Because they're like, well, it wasn't really a game, was it? And I'm like, yeah, you're right. You've rated 62? Wow. Did you do a stream? I've only rated 25. I only did 2 kind of short streams. Also, I don't understand how the haven't rated number is 6,650, but the entries is 6,850. And I've rated 25 and I submitted 1. Let me just quick maths here. We take 6650 plus 25, right? Plus 1 minus 6850. Where did these 174 games go? I feel like I'm being gaslit. Ricky, you stream. I've seen it. I'm on to you. Don't lie. I saw you making the little chat heads. They are very secret. Anytime I tune in, I get yelled at for watching. Which is good. That's what I want. Someone should do an analysis. Can we set up a machine learning model that counts how many jam games in gmtk use some sort of CRT effect? I would just love to know. Like, look, I didn't even have to scroll and I found... Oh, wait, does this one use it? It does in this thumbnail, at least. It might just be a very minor chromatic aberration. It's such a game jam, like, classic. I've seen a number of games called humaning. Look at all these human games. Humaning. This one looks great. You are a tree that makes money by cutting down humans. That's dark. How many NPC games? World of NPC. NPC 48. NPC Adventure. NPC Sim. NPC Guidance. NPC Life. NPC Man. Quest. Simulator. Simulator. NPC. You're the worst NPC. Well, they don't like you in this one. NPC Death Swap. NPC and NPC Inc. NPC Sam, NPC Tavern, Papa Bunger NPC Edition, NPC Simulator, Victor NPC, NPC Now Playable. I like this one. Now Playable Character. That's pretty funny. Nothing plays correctly. Non-player customers. Oops, I'm an NPC who summoned a treasure demon. Ours was maybe a bit too complicated. It was a card game, but you were the dealer who had to... Oh, I thought of that idea. Wait, which game is yours? I don't know if I played it. Really wish there was a Pong game where you played as the right paddle. Look no further. Oh wait, where you play as the right paddle. Do you normally play as the left one? We got reverse Pong. Let's see if we have that. Pong gun. Oh yeah, you should definitely get a thumbnail. Do you want me to draw you one? Oh my god, there's so many games called The House Always Wins. Wait, isn't that already the saying? Is that The House Always Wins? This one makes more sense to me. I'll draw you a thumbnail right now for your charge. Here's how I'll do it too. There. Done. Easy. Just make a few edits so it doesn't look like you're copying. Is this your one? It's gotta be right. Oh, this is gonna break my brain actually. Alright, I might not play this right now. This is gonna hurt my brain. I could feel it. It's too late at night for this. It sounds cool though. I like the premise of like a card game that you're in control of the deck. I would if it wasn't 4:30 in the morning. Thanks for the follow. See, this is what you need. Some clickbait why is there a fish in a suit? I like this fish. Okay, what was I gonna do to my game? Now that we have the PNG tuber, we have no more excuses, which is unfortunate. I was kind of hoping we could just make excuses all stream. I did use 4.1. Can you tell by my prolific usage of await? True, I didn't implement the PNG hotkeys, but that sounds like more work than I want to do. See, I'm really lazy when it comes to procrastinating. It has to be easy things. Welcome to my map. Oh, you didn't know about await? What have you been using? Look at my mountains and their mountainous. Look at this. I got big static. This is how the game works, is there's like layers stacked up on each other. Wait, what do you mean, why would you need it? Do you not use coroutines in Godot? How do you live your life? Oh my god. Next you're gonna tell me you didn't know about the lambdas. Wait, you don't use type hints? Shake my head? Why would I use type hints? That's just more typing. And they don't seem to do anything useful. So that your game doesn't crash. To be honest, the game crashes more when I use the type hints. They don't really help that much for autocomplete. I've tried them. They're a scam. Like where am I not using a type hint that I should? Show me one. I'm waiting. Function parameters for sure should have type hints. Why? Here? Disagree? It's a built-in function. It's inferred. We already have the autocomplete. Okay. This is a built-in function. I'm not specifying it. Well, these aren't my own functions. You haven't seen my own function. I don't know if I have any functions that use them. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't take any arguments, 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 doesn't take any arguments. Takes one argument, but come on, it could be multiple things. Like we have runtime type checking. Gamer moment. Okay, this one I'll give you. This one should probably say float. There, I did it. Bad cop. No. Don't know what you're talking about. Bad equals good. Thank you, Ricky. You think it's a skill issue? I mean, so this is the file you were criticizing. What did you want me to add type annotations to here? Started is already inferred as a boolean. Fade is already inferred as a float. Delta is inferred as a float. Event is an input event. What do you want? I don't actually know if it enforces this. Can I set this to like 1.0? Oh, is it colon equals if you want to... What did that change? That changed nothing. Wait, here? I'll be honest, I don't know what the walrus does. It doesn't seem to do anything different. Godot walrus operator. Walrus. Will infer the variable. Oh. So it doesn't do this when you do it with equals? Yeah, but it doesn't seem to do anything different when I like change this to colon equals. I can still reassign this to a float. I can still say started equals 1.0 and it doesn't get mad. So I don't really get it. It errors sometimes. Well, that's why I don't use the type ins, is because they don't work. I can convert a float to a bool. Well, I definitely don't want it to do that. Let me tell you. I would rather you didn't. Can I convert this? Probably can. Oh, okay. So it does coerce it. Cannot assign string, but I can I do 2.0? Was it because I typed 1.0? See, how is this better? This 2.0 is going to get invisibly coerced to a boolean because what the fuck? How is that better? I hate that so much more. If the type system was actually good, I would use it, but no, I just don't trust it. The type system, but the type system is dynamic, and that's the problem. Is like I've had situations, right, where adding a type introduces a runtime error. Only adding a type. That shouldn't be fucking possible. That's awful. I really think the type system in Godot is just complete trash and needs to be rewritten. It's just useless. It's beyond useless. It's negative impact. If you assign a dynamic to a typed variable. But why is that not a compile time error? Right? Like that's not hard to detect. If you're gonna have an error at all with the type system, it needs to be at compile time. That's the whole point. Because it's dynamic, how would it know? Just don't let you assign a variable that was not explicitly typed if that's how you're gonna do it. If you're gonna enforce that restriction at runtime, you might as well enforce it at compile time. And in this case, it wasn't even that I was assigning another variable to another variable. I was literally like assigning a literal. And it was like, this literal doesn't match the type. And I was like, you couldn't tell me that before I ran it? I don't know. I've tried using the type system, believe me. It's pretty bad. And this is coming from TypeScript, where TypeScript is like not great. TypeScript is like pretty good, but still has a lot of weird pitfalls. If this was as good as TypeScript, I would absolutely use it, but it's I don't think it ever will be. I don't know. I do this crazy thing. I know this is considered crazy in the field of programming, but I actually do this thing where I'll write some code and then I run it, which I know it's it's kind of ridiculous. But I run it and then I assert that it does what I expect. It's a crazy concept. I've met a lot of software engineers who don't agree with the practice. I consider myself old school in that regard. I don't know. If I wanted a strongly typed language, I would just write my game in a strongly typed language like C++. I think the whole benefit of having a weakly typed language is that you can iterate faster. If it runs immediately, then that's fine. But if it runs later, if what runs later? It does, because here's why it slows you down. If you put the wrong thing here, if you call this like, I don't know, input event key, suddenly this built-in function, like, okay, actually they fixed this. This was a 3.5 thing. In 3.5, you could put the wrong annotation here, and then your function would just stop being called because it didn't match. I'm glad they fixed this. Yeah, I don't know. I use them sometimes. I use them for things that I, export so that I can get the nice editor experience. Um, I don't think I'm using them for signals because I don't really understand how to do the typing with signals. I think that's a new thing, right? Typed signals. No, can you still not do types? I thought you could. Mm, no, you can't. You can't type your signals. That would be too crazy. just just too difficult. Wait. Wait. It's even worse? Are you telling me it's even worse? Good afternoon. Oh, I see. Look at this. You can put a type here and it won't be enforced. It means nothing. It's not used. How good. Oh, that's kind of loud. Hold on. Where's my volume mixer? Oh no. Well, let's see. Let's confirm. It should crash when I pass a thing that's not a camera 3D. Which again, great experience. Let's wait for a kill. Oh, we're definitely gonna get some kills over here. No, yeah, it doesn't do anything. No, you're right. This is a good system. We should use this everywhere. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to create a mode, a debug key that I can hit to I want to be able to like free cam around. And I also want to be able to turn off the stuff. So what do I actually want to be able to do here? I don't know, good question. You know what I love about my job? It's basically game jamming. Sick. Where am I even doing the CRT stuff? How did I already forget the structure of this project? Whoops. You know, I have this really annoying shader that obscures the vision of the screen. Okay. So that's one of the CRT effects. Where does the other one come in? Oh, here. Oh, easy. So let's just stick another camera 3D in here. That looks good. And let's call this debug cam. And let's give it a script called debug cam. Godot for free cam scripts. Bingo, bango, bongo. If turn, we have a process. Yep. Perfect. Okay, what should we make our debug key? Debug. I don't know, shift 1. Sure. What the heck is going on there? Godot, are you okay? If event is inputs action, if event dot pressed, actually we can just do this. Is action pressed debug current equals true. CRT effect visible equals false. All right, let's see if it works. Shift 1. Okay. Oh, nice. We have free cam. Wait, look the plane. Oh. All right, what's going on down here on the surface? Oh my god, look how big the circles are. Oh, they're shooting each other. Wait, shit, I should have let people jump into this view. This is so cool. Oh, I don't have a way to get back out. This is really useful. Why didn't I do this during the jam? This would have saved me so much time trying to debug things. Dang. Oh wait, where's the circle? I can't move the circle around. Oh no. Alright, we're just stuck with whatever it picks. Is this breaking the illusion for everyone? That the circle is actually a plane floating above the map? Whoa. Jerem work account. What's up? Your favorite gmtk game? We're adding some debug tools so that we can free cam around the place and see what's going on. Wow, a bunch of people died up here. I feel like it should be harder to get up here. Okay, this guy is totally stopped. Why have you totally stopped? Shouldn't you be doing something? Oh, nice. Oh, now he's moving. He was just AFK for a little bit. Oh, he's blasting. Wait, what? What's happening? Thanks. I think we've got a no-win situation. I think these two are stuck. They're like glued together. They've become one. This is a good free cam script I found. I'm a fan. I'm not sure what else to do tonight because I'm not really feeling in the mood to like work on the AI anymore. I'm already like running out of steam, to be honest. But this is a cool start because I really wanted to be able to. I think the next thing will be to like pause. Are you considering going down the VTuber route? Not really. I just set this up because I didn't feel like turning on my cam today, and I just wanted something there. So we threw that together at the beginning of the stream. Built from scratch. Very easy. I didn't want to have to like run some external program and like capture it and all this crap. All right, I think this might actually be where I stop just because I'm feeling tired. And I should probably utilize that to go to sleep. Let me. What have I done? Commit all. Free cam mode. Squid. I find my confidence is worse when my normal face is on cam. Yeah. Some days that feels like the barrier to entry to even turn on the stream is like oh, I have to like I don't know, I have to have this light blasting in my face. I have to have I gotta like sit up straight the whole time. I don't know. I gotta like not look like a mess. So it is nice to have this as like a thing I can fall back on now. I don't know. I think face cam is good for most of the time when I'm a normal functioning human being, but sometimes I want to stream when I'm not a normal functioning human being. And yeah. This little bouncy tuber is a nice little stand-in. Who's online? Anybody? We got Tim. Yeah, no, totally. And yeah, It's not a requirement by any means. Yeah, I don't know. I would definitely say it's why I don't stream a lot of the time. Am I too late? Potentially. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I was just looking for somebody to raid. I see you want to go live? Let's see. Let's look for something interesting. Anyone doing Godot? Hey, thanks for the follow. Oh, look, it's me. Well, there's not that many streams right now. I don't know. Does anybody have a recommendation? Tim? Okay, we could do Tim. Can't copy paste. Oh, wait.
Good. I think they might be rubbing on the body.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, no, I thought that said Godot. I was wrong. Got excited. All right. Have a good night, everybody. See you next time. What do you mean F?